Morning guys, so I just woke up and it's my second day here in Bohol and a little closer to nature this time. So in a few I'll be ordering my breakfast and I'll be heading to my tour. So I'll be alone this time, driving around this island, and down you can see there's the swimming pool. So let me focus that below. And I'm going to go inside the room. Hello guys, so maybe you're wondering why I'm wearing shades. So it's already bright outside, and also what you're also wondering why I'm speaking in English on this 3-part vlog series. That's simply because I have native English speakers who's going to watch this video. So this is something that people might not understand, and I'm trying hard to speak in English, but regardless if I'm grammatically wrong or whatsoever, I don't care. I just want them to know what I'm saying and that they are not left out. Guys, give love to me while I do this vlog, and sure, I'm uploading the video already right there, the day 1, and right now it's day 2. So I'm just gonna hit and I'm just go ahead and go and get some breakfast and get coffee or whatever, and then go back here and pack my things for my one-day tour. Oh my goodness. So dito na ako sa breakfast area, and as promised, I'm going to show you what it looks like outside the resort. So this is the resort breakfast lounge, and oh my god, look at the beautiful scenery out there. It's kind of beautiful. So I'm just gonna go ahead and eat breakfast right now before I head out. Ang init, mali yata yung position ko, ang init dito. So mataas na yung araw. So let's just wait for breakfast attendant to come and ask for my stuff. So there you go guys, I'm already eating breakfast, and then napaka-chill ng morning na to kasi it's just day 2 and medyo maaga-aga pa before I get to travel around the island. So maybe later I'm going to head upstairs and just do something, pack my bags and stuff like that. So yun, kakain muna ako. Just gonna go ahead and update you later. So guys, so good morning again. I'm here sa resort pa rin, and medyo nag-antay lang ako ng medyo matagal kasi inantay ko yung delivery nung nirent ko na bike. So I'll be driving around this area, and first na po stop ko today is sa Chocolate Hills sa Carmen. So it's an hour drive from here. So and then from Carmen papunta ng Lubok for lunch sa river cruise, and then Baclayon, Blood Compact siguro. So alrighty, so I just got here in Chocolate Hills and I'm walking going up right now. So I really want to count the steps, but I'm kind of hesitant to count them. So let me go ahead and head upstairs and see the view. So finally you guys, I just arrived here on top of the view deck, and it's really amazing. Although it's my second time here, it didn't stop to really amaze me for the second time. And of course, you know, those hills are kind of fantastic, like it's a natural form. So, you know, it's greener this time, and also when I was here, like this view deck was actually destroyed by the earthquake back in 2013, I believe. So pretty much down below there are like courses like ATV that you can actually rent, and you can ride on them, and those are pretty much cooler courses that you can experience. And right now I'm pretty tired, and I just let you guys see what's in Bohol. So this is one of the major attractions here, and as you can see, I'm pretty wet because I got soaked in rainwater. So I'll be heading downstairs, and I'll be heading to Lubok for my lunch. Alright, hi guys, so this is the man-made forest, and it's kind of cool. Just an update, just got done with lunch, and definitely I'm going back to the hotel now. It's kind of hot in here, but it's better than raining. So I got soaked in rainwater earlier, and I'm still here in Lubok right now, so heading to the parking area to get my motorcycle. So I'll update you guys once I'm back at the hotel. So super nice waiting area so far. Everything is in here, by the way. So let me just go ahead and get my motorcycle. So as usual, it's kind of hot. So the food is really great here. Definitely something that I look forward to come back to. And it's just that, I don't know, I took a lot of time figuring out how to go to Chocolate Hills this morning, and it's bad, definitely bad. So that's the motorcycle that I'm using right now. Definitely the motorcycle that I'm using. kind of hot. I just want to feel it first. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So, nakita nyo ngayon, medyo maganda, maayos yung kwarto kasi nagligpit ako. So, unfortunately, today, although, nagbunga naman yung pagmumotor ko kasi nakita nyo naman, sunburn ang inabot ko sa labas. Oh my gosh. So, as you can see, today, I was able to go out. I was able to like travel and roam around the island, but I didn't expect this trip to be organized. Right now, I just want to give you an update that my plan to do the intense vlogging didn't happen. So number one, maraming masyadong tao. Number two, ang dami kong bit-bit. Like, tripod, backpack, extra clothes. So, tapos camera bag. Pro tip lang dito sa Bohol. Kahit meron kang ganito, meron kang susundin na direction app. Oh my God. Ang ginamit ko, Google Maps. Dinala akong saan-saan. Napakaliblib ng mga dinaanan ko. Sobrang hirap. And then, marami akong kasabay ng mga turista na papunta. Foreigners. Foreigners na nakamotor din. And for some reason, nawawala talaga din sila. Pare-pareho kami, paikot-ikot lang kami sa isang place. If you travel here, make sure na komportable kayo sa mga dadaanan. At the same time, much better, mas maigi pa rin na magtanong tayo sa mga locals dito instead of using that. Kasi ang dami kong nagastos na gasolina. Sobrang ang tagal yung time. So, I thought 1.5 hours lang ako magka-travel. It turned out to be like 2 hours. Yung sa Google kasi, it gives you the lesser. Parang sabi niya dito, parang 7 minutes faster. Pero in reality, it's not really. So, if you're solo travel, make sure na mag-book na lang kayo ng mga group tour na sasamahan ninyo at least mapupuntahan nyo lahat kesa yung kayo on your own parang medyo malabo. Okay, let me just update you with my current status on the challenge. Give me your guess first. So guess any number. So right now, as of 9:56 p.m. I already spent, there you go, 3,270 pesos. Mainly because when I was on my flight from Manila to Tagbilaran, I got thirsty, so I bought a 40 peso bottled water. It's not even big, okay? And then 500 pesos because I bought my lunch here. It was chicken adobo and a mango shake. Next is 500 pesos because I rented a motorcycle plus 200 pesos to replace the gasoline I used. And then 630 in the evening was my dinner here. And then I spent 700 pesos just now just for my dinner. And then I bought keychains and souvenirs for 700 pesos, and that is a total amount of 3,270. So I went overboard, and yeah, my excess is 1,270. I don't know tomorrow if I'm still gonna buy something, but definitely that's gonna be added here on my list. Give me time to relax and sleep. So I'm going to sleep now. Yeah, guys, so tomorrow I'm going to get you guys updated. So oh my god, look at that. I'm not really sure if you can see the color. So there's a line over here, and there's a line over here, and line over here. And if I'm going to remove my watch, definitely gonna see the difference. The difference is really bad. Oh my gosh. So next week I will have another adventure in Pangasinan, guys. So please hit subscribe and like this video for you to be updated on my next video. I showed you how I fixed my bag, so I don't know. Let's see, guys. Thank you so much, and good night.